Hello and bonjour everybody. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a 15-minute clotted cream. Okay, I'm also American because I used to make my first clotted cream before ever since I was only 16. So, let's start. So to start off, are you ever going to need to have 2 cups of heavy whipping cream or heavy cream? Just pour it into here.
There's someone upstairs, you.
Great. Pour it into this pot. Right. Once you pour your heavy whipping cream or heavy cream into that pot like this, that's already glass or even like ceramic, all you gotta do is to put it in the microwave and put it on the microwave safe lid. It's like this. It's like this. And then you put it on 5 minutes. Right. Once 5 minutes is done, all you gotta do is to take it out of the microwave and let it sit for about 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, you have to put it back in the microwave and set it on another 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, you're gonna have to take it out of the microwave and let it sit for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, you're gonna have to, put the microwave back in the put that back in the microwave for the third time and set the last 5 minutes in here. And after 5 minutes is over, you're going to have to take it out and let it sit for 15 minutes. Once you do that for 10, 10, and even like 15 minutes, all you gotta do is to shake this up, and you gotta check until it's either thick, and if it's not thick enough, you can just put. If it's not thick enough, keep going until you get thick, and put it on 20 minutes, 25, and 80 minutes. And after if it's thick, you gotta put it back. You gotta put it in the fridge and let it cool down for overnight and 24 hours. So that's how you make homemade 15-minute clotted cream.